get bumping.
Trust the process. Feel like it's falling down. You can't just quit, you know you gotta. Trust the process. You better fix your crown. We kings and queens, you know we gotta. Trust the process. Trust the process. Go with your heart, you gotta trust the process.
Look, mama knew that I would shine back when the lights was out. Ain't no cap, we talking love, man, I showed large amounts. Shit, I had some doubts, but it ain't stopped the boy from moving. This the movement, we a unit, better tune into it. You can lead a horse to water, but can't make him drink. Better stop and think, remember washing clothes in kitchen sinks. Life could change in just a blink, my neck look like a hockey ring. All my niggas flashing ice, we diamond gang, shout out to Chink. It was a couple times when rapping ain't look guaranteed, but I look back at life and think this might be what I need. Before you flourish, gotta hit the ground and plant the seed. Soon as you take off all, I guarantee your niggas leave. See, they ain't trust the process, they ain't peep the logic. I kept shit moving even when they thought that I wouldn't progress. I'm laughing at the nonsense. They play Beethoven from the bottoms way up to the projects. I mean all my projects.
Trust the process. Feel like it's falling down. You can't just quit, you know you gotta. Trust the process. You better fix your crown. We kings and queens, you know we gotta. Trust the process. Trust the process. Go with your heart, you gotta trust the process.
Hey, look, how the fuck is you a boss and left your niggas hanging? Bosses put you in position, not in situations. When it got rough, it was just me and Tim off in that basement. I never copped a plea, I never gave the police statements. Niggas looking up to rats, the code do not exist. If so, then why the fuck 6ix9ine still walking around this bitch? Fuck the cops he with, you with the snitch, you get it too. I kept my distance, most of y'all ain't see my point of view.